Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put like music into CapCut. So it's super simple. You're just going to select import here, and you're going to basically select an audio if you do have one and just import it like usual, or you can grab a video and you can right click it and select separate audio, and you can use that audio for another video as well. You can also go to audio here. They have a lot of options. They have some from, I don't want to butcher this word. What the heck is butcher? Sorry, I just don't want to say this incorrectly. Is it Genshin or Genshin Impact? I don't play it, so I don't know. They have music from there. They also have this beat one, and like they just have a lot of options to use it. You're just going to download it, and you're just going to add it to your track. And you also have some sound effects as well. You can extract audio here by selecting import and selecting a video. It will just extract the audio, and you can connect your CapCut with your TikTok, but it will only show up songs that are not copyrighted. So if you have them saved already, it's going to show up. But that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!